Hello and welcome back everyone. It is your girl Cassandra Olivia. I just want to say shout out to all of my new subscribers. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. As you guys know, I have been going live, or maybe you don't know, so be sure to check that out. I'm going to try to go live as many days as possible. So without further ado, why am I struggling on this intro? What's going on? So without further ado, welcome to my channel. I am Cassandra Olivia. I'm a Delaware hairstylist. In today's video, I have my lovely client, Arian. She's been literally coming to me for about 5 years now, and she decided she wanted to book crochet. Honestly, this is not a service that I normally offer. However, I did post a crochet tutorial about a month ago, and all of my clients were DMing me like, please just do it, please just do it. So I added it for a month. To be honest, I did about 8 clients with the crochet, but then I took it off. And the only reason why I took it off is because one, it's not a style that I really want to do all the time. I want to focus on more natural hair, but it was kind of like a summertime hairstyle. But two, I just kind of don't like the way crochet braids look. I'm really particular about how my hair looks, and it's just, they look cute, don't get me wrong, they're really cute, but I don't know, it's just something about it. I just prefer regular braids, so it's just my personal preference. So I put it on for a month, but I took it right back off. So if you're a client of mine, you're gonna have to email me if you want this, because it's off the website already. So what I'm just doing here, I already shampooed Arian off camera. I just went ahead and I'm just going in and putting in the Fenty edge control that you guys see. I'm only putting it on her hair, but I am going in and doing 2 rows of small plaits in her hair. I'm not braiding it all the way down, only because I'm going to intertwine both of those 2 plaits in each row, and then I'm going to braid everything back in a cornrow. So just sit and watch as I'm doing everything. And please, please, please be sure to like this video, drop a comment down below, and if not, just be sure to subscribe. Your girl is on the road to 180K, and I'm not going to stop until I hit it. So I told myself I have to hit it by the end of August, and it's going to get done. So be sure to hit that subscribe button and just track my progress, because guess what? I'm going to hit it with or without you, baby. So you might as well just get in where you fit in. So I'm going to finish doing this part, and I will be right back in just a second. You guys already know everything that I'm using. I will be sure to link down below in the description box, so be sure to check that out as well. Follow me on my Amazon storefront. If you don't see anything, I always link everything on my Amazon storefront. I even have videos of reviews, breakdowns, all of that. And then I also post anything like decor related, as far as like my shampoo bowl, my dryer, all of that stuff that you want to know in my salon suite, or like home decor, clothes, all of that stuff is on my LTK. So be sure to check that out. So I'm just going to do these plaits on both sides, and I'll be back once I'm done that section. And last sidebar, Arian is so freaking pretty. Like, can we just get into her skin for just a second? Like, she is so gorgeous. We had such a good time during this appointment. She's been coming for years, and I just really love when she comes in. So yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, so now I'm just going in and braiding everything back. I'm just going to do this first braid around the perimeter, connecting the first braid on the left with the first braid of the right. And then after that, I am going to braid everything down, and then I'll be sure to just interlock everything in between. Her hair is super long, so I just want to make sure that I'm not being too rough on it, but also making sure that I have enough braids so that way the crochet can blend. And she did request the least amount of crochet braids possible, which I told her I'm going to try, but she does have a lot of thick, beautiful hair. So I did want to make sure I covered her hair, but she did not want to use every pack. So going in, I just tried to think of how I was going to map her hair out. Once I was done these braids, I just started going in with the crochet hook and I did my thing. So I'm not really here to do a super detailed tutorial on this because I already did one on my own hair. So be sure to check that out on my channel. But I just wanted to show you guys how it came out with one of my clients. And also, I recorded this, so why not? I'm going to finish braiding her up and then I will hop back on once I'm done her, I don't even know. I'm going to hop back on when I feel like it. But be sure again to subscribe and then follow me on Instagram. Check out all my links in the description. I will try to link everything in the video, but if not, I always put everything on my Amazon store and my LTK. So follow me there as well. And again, let's get to 180K by the end of August 2024. We can do it. I know we can. I'm like, I think I can. I think I can. All right, I'll be back in just a minute. Okay, so this is her braid pattern. She's getting all the hair off of Amazon, by the way. I believe all 8 packs were it was $30 for 8 packs of hair. So that's what she has here. And again, we only use 6.5. She requested that I don't use all 8 because she wanted to try to have this look as full but natural as possible. She didn't want it to be super bulky. So I'm just gonna go in. I'm using the crochet hook that came with the pack. And I'm just starting at her perimeter just so I can get those front crochet braids to lay the way that I want to. And then I will go in and start to fill in each row and then the backs and the side. So just enjoy as I install this. And please be sure to drop a comment down below. Drop an emoji. Let me know if you like to wear this type of crochet. Have you tried this on yourself? And if not, what is your go-to protective style? I love my clients so much, and clearly we were having such a great time because obviously we were in here laughing and just vibing. My clients are all such a good vibe. I really do have a great clientele, and I'm so thankful for each and every one of them. They literally come from all over, so I just want to shout them out really quick. So here I am. I'm just getting to the back, remembering that she doesn't want it super full, but also remembering that I have to camouflage the back of her hair because her hair is really long, and this is my first time doing crochet on somebody super long. Again, this is not a service I typically offer. So once everything looked good, I gave her the mirror, and then I did go in and just slightly trim the ends just to make sure that everything was nice and even. Once I've done that, I'm just gonna pull it up, show her how to style it, and then we are done this hairstyle. So thank you guys again so much for watching. Let me know if you like this style on my client or if you like this style in general. I'm just showing her how she can wear it up and down for the camera, and then I did put her in the mirror and show her the same thing, but we decided on the middle part for this video. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.